Don't you think a good tactical jacket doesn't only support you in your law enforcement, military, or other tactical duties, but during your outdoor adventures as well? With proper weather resistance, rigid build, and other tactical perks, a good tactical jacket becomes one of the high priorities for your tactical gear list. With this in mind, we've compiled a detailed list of the 5 best tactical jackets you must see. So without any further ado, let's dive right in.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Today we'll be starting our list with the 24/7 Tactical Softshell Jacket from TruSpec, a lightweight yet versatile tactical jacket from the class-leading military uniform supplier. Being made out of 100% polyester, this tactical jacket will support you in your most demanding jobs. Additionally, it'll give you both wind resistance and reliable water resistance thanks to its durable, water-resistant coating. When it comes to your comfort, this tactical jacket comes with a soft, brushed interior so that you stay dry, warm, and comfy while having enough space for your ballistic armor. Plus, with a zipper front closure, this jacket allows you to quickly put on or just take off during a hot sunny day. Furthermore, the fleece-lined collar will block cold air from coming inside your jacket. Thus, with a durable build, comfortable fit, versatile usage, and an affordable price point, the TruSpec 24/7 Tactical Softshell Jacket becomes an excellent choice as a tactical jacket. Enjoy a durable yet lightweight wearing experience with the Condor Outdoor Summit Softshell, a comfortable softshell jacket for your challenging jobs. Its intelligently made construction comes with a 3-layer shell that features 100% polyester fabric on the outer layer for a formidable build. Plus, a breathable film membrane in the mid-layer ensures an amazing airflow, and combined with its 100% fleece inner lining, this softshell jacket keeps you dry and comfy even during the most tiresome tasks. You'll also get abrasion-resistant elbows and wrist cuffs, which is rare among its peers in this price range. This tactical jacket also features underarm vent zippers for maximum airflow so that you never feel suffocated during any job. Furthermore, a full front closure features a YKK zipper for reliable and easy closing procedure. All said, a tough build, impressive airflow, adjustable cuffs, and wide variety of color options make the Condor Outdoor Summit Softshell a great option as a stylish but practical pick. Next up on our list, we have the Gunfighter Jacket from Helikon-Tex, a premium shark skin wind blocker jacket for your tactical necessity. Just like the previous 2 jackets, the Gunfighter Jacket is also made out of 100% polyester so that you get a sturdy, reliable, yet lightweight build. In addition, the design of this jacket is specially made for military units and provides some really amazing utilities like a chin guard and 2-way front zipper closure. Plus, with a collar-stowed adjustable hood, you'll be able to sustain through chilly weather with a warm and comfortable experience. The Gunfighter Jacket also features zippered armpit vents for maximum breathability during any demanding task. In conclusion, with a 2-way front zipper, reinforced elbows, partly elastic Velcro closed cuffs, and other amazing utility features, this shark skin wind blocker Helikon-Tex Gunfighter Jacket becomes a premium choice for you. Enjoy a top-notch build, fantastic versatility, and a comfortable fit with the 5-in-1 tactical jacket from 511, a heavy-duty all-weather jacket for your maximum convenience. The 5-in-1 jacket features 5 different garment configurations so that you can have maximum adaptability during any changeable weather. This tactical jacket also comes with a seam seal design fleece liner and durable water repellent coating for you to have the proper insulation and waterproofing. Combining an elasticized waist and its roomy interior, you'll be getting the maximized freedom of movement with this jacket. Plus, the side zippers will provide you with amazing ventilation and proper convenient access to your sidearm during your duty. Having a removable roll-up hood lets you be carefree in cold weather, while the hook and loop storm cuffs ensure proper insulation. All said, with incredible versatility, fantastic waterproofing, and a comfortable interior, the 511 5-in-1 Tactical Jacket becomes a high-performance jacket for your critical activities. Finally, with a significant number of pockets, waterproof outer shell, maximum concealing capability, and overall best utilities, the Rothco Special Ops Tactical Softshell Jacket rounds off our list today. With a fine blend of polyester and fleece in its outer shell, the Tactical Jacket is able to give you a dry and warm experience during the coldest weather. In contrast, its 3-layer build ensures proper protection against wind, retains heat, and wicks away moisture, providing you with ultimate weather resistance. Furthermore, this highly functional jacket features a total of 8 zippered pockets to keep your accessories safe, no matter you're on duty or just enjoying the great outdoors. You'll also get an easy-to-hide hood that comes in a zippered pouch in the collar so that you can pull it out right when you need it. Comfort-wise, the jacket features a drawstring waist, zippered armpit vents, elastic hook, and other features, which means you'll get the best fit along with a comfortable wearing experience. Overall, with some great functionalities, a roomy and comfy interior, maximum freedom of movement, and an overall best performance, the Rothco Special Ops Tactical Softshell Jacket becomes the best choice as a tactical jacket. So that was our list for the 5 best tactical jackets that you must see. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, outdoorsy.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.